So what's up? What's up, lads? What's up? I'm just I'm checking to make sure everything's working. Let me just Yep, everything's working. Do the normal thing. There we go. Copy. Didn't mean for that to be caps locked, but it is. Whatever. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Should have nothing else. Anyways, yeah. Welcome to day 5. I mean, last time the beginning went good. For day 4, I just didn't do good coding, so I'm gonna try to fix that for day 5. I mean, I can already write the stuff for that. So year 2021. So that runs the already pre-generated code, and then we need fetcher. So that's ready. Well, we do that. I mean, the thing is, it'll just say, please don't request this endpoint, because it's bad if you do that. So yeah. I'm probably gonna do what I did last time, because I don't know if it helped that much. But I'm just gonna do a quick little typing test. Yeah. Okay, cool. I just want to do this. Oh, this has a sound effect, and I don't like it. Okay. Oh, up. This is taking a little bit to do. Tachometer? What the heck's a tachometer? Means less friction. That was awful. Accuracy. What? That actually isn't too bad. Whatever. So I'm pretty good. The thing is, like, I'm not gonna be just doing raw typing. It's gonna be like the code typing. I said this last time, but instead of like actually having to type all the words, I literally I can tab some of it. So like if I have to parse it, I can just do that. I'd actually type parse list to int. So theories. Okay, so that's no, I wasn't commenting. Well, I mean, I didn't also know what it was, but like, it's just tachometer. It's funny to me. Well, not that funny, but it's whatever. So day 5, I'm gonna look. So this one is the nice strings. So that's a classic nice strings. So I mean, I could just say, so this one was the hashing one for 2016. Day 5, this one was the jumping. Okay. And so, yeah. So that one was nothing like it. So I don't think we're going to have anything predicting. I saw a prediction in the subreddit. Let me find it. It wasn't like a good prediction. It was a fun prediction. Here we go. Here's a subreddit. It's almost at 30,000. Let's see. Prediction. There's a pretty popular one with Node. Oh. Here we go. So, okay, so they're thinking it's going to be how many turns does it have to do until this. Oh, is that gonna crash? It's not gonna crash. Ooh. It's probably, so it looks like, this looks like the longest path to take within a cave. So, I mean, it's a cool prediction. I just don't know if it's the case. Your encode computer. Yeah, whatever. So, I mean, that's just what it said. It was the prediction. Obviously, it's a prediction. I don't know what it's going to be. I mean, he could have some insider information. But if he does, I feel terrible because I just watched what the puzzle was, which kind of ruined it for me. But whatever. I didn't mean to. Obviously, it's a prediction, so it's not 100%. Whew, okay. One thing I could do is, because I'm recording this as well, is I can only record it like when I'm actually doing the puzzle, so I can like stop the recording now, and like I can only just do the recording when I do the puzzle. That way I can get the video out faster because I don't have to trim the stream down. I can just actually just record the specific part I need to record. Just something for, well, like the 30 minutes after I do the puzzle, because like after I end the stream, I would have to trim the video and then do all that so I can upload it for the people. So whatever today is, at least it won't be bingo. That was bad. Oh yeah, hold on, let me see. My bingo code is not good, and I assumed that there was diagonals, but there wasn't, and that was a pain, because it even specifically says, if I can find it, diagonals don't count. It says diagonals don't count, but you had to actually look at it. It is cool. Anyways, so it won't be bingo again, but it might be another game. I mean, I don't know why it would be a game. I have no idea what it would be. Like, because, you know, new theme, new types of puzzles. Like, bingo hasn't been used at all. That was the first time bingo has been used. Which, I mean, yeah. I figured it would come up in some sort of puzzle, but whatever. So we got 1:40 left. Like, I'm just ready to go whenever. Get a burp though. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. What is up? Anyways, yeah, got 40 seconds. Let me get my command line thing going. hopefully this will turn out better than yesterday. Hopefully I get top 1,000. If I get leaderboard, that'd be even better. But you know, I'm not aiming for it, huh?
Did it start getting too cold?
Well, it's too loud. Anyway, so 10 seconds. All right, boys and girls, it's go time. Well, not exactly yet, but I have my hand over through 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, get the okay. Lines. What? Okay. Okay, for now, only consider horizontal and vertical lines. So is there... No, there's only... Okay, well, I mean, first things first is I'm going to parse this. So let lines equal an array. Put that split a new line for each. So then let tokens equal, well, actually start end is equal to element dot split by this weird string, I think. Hold on, it's this, right? Yes, okay. So and then lines dot push start with x is equal to start dot split by, is it comma start dot split comma, and then we have to do parse int, and it's the first one. So bada bing bada boom. Y, and then there's 1, and then so that's the start one. In fact, I'm just going to do that so I can easily see. And then the end one is the end split. So yeah, that's the that, and I'm just going to confirm that. I haven't been reading what I'm supposed to actually be doing, but whatever. I got the endpoints. So then okay, so then let's make a grid. So let grid is equal to common dot create 2D array. Actually, not do 2D array, it has to be infinite because I don't know what the size is. So let grid is equal to an object, and then for, so I could just do lines dot for each element. I could just say y and x, so y is equal to element dot start dot x or dot y, and then y is less than or equal to element dot start in dot y, and then y plus plus. And then we do the same for x, and since it's a straight line, it should only activate one of these at a time, which is good. And then we just do grid of, and then we can do a string literal. I can find it. There we go. X comma y plus plus. Actually, we also need to do, if it doesn't exist, set it equal to 0, and then also increment it. So now what we can do is we can do we can do a one-liner here saying object dot values of grid, so it should give us a whole bunch of numbers dot filter, and then element, and then if element is greater than or equal to 2, and then dot length. That should give us how many points it has. So it does all that, how many? I'm making sure all this is good. Oh, okay, I see. I see a problem. So start and end may not be like start, it may go backwards. So like even though in this case it goes forwards, it goes forwards, it goes forwards, it may go backwards. So like this one, 9 7, it'll keep adding it, which then it won't work. So yikes. So then let's start is equal to math dot min, or start x, start y, start x, it doesn't matter. So math dot min of element dot start dot x, and then element dot end dot x, and then max min max, so that's max as well, and that's start y end. So then this is start y, no, this is x, these are y's, there we go. And then instead of doing start here, we do it there. So this just fixes the issue that I will have gotten, because yeah. So now, just to make sure this works, I'm going to console.log grid. You know what, let me just do this, and then, yeah. Okay, a whole bunch of not a numbers, which isn't exactly good. If not, okay, there we go. And then what's the 58? I don't think that's right. A total of 5 points. Well, yeah, that's definitely not right. Zero. Wait, what? Yeah, that's definitely not right. Oh, hold on a minute. Console.log start x, start y. This is not going good. This should have been an easy puzzle. Yeah, that is totally not right. Oh, and then end x, end y. So somewhere something went wrong. Well, that's right. Oh, wait, that's why. Because this is supposed to be y. And this is supposed to be x. And this is supposed to be max. And this is supposed to be min. Fixed it. Okay. It should only be... why is that 6? Oh, wait, that's right. Okay, yeah. Get rid of all this. Get rid of all of that. So now, it should work now. I mean, I don't know why it's still taking so long. This is really slow. Come on. There we go. Okay, that is not the right answer. Great, cool. Well, does this give me the right answer? I didn't even test the input. Bada bing. So this should give us 5. It gives us 84. Which is not right. Oh, it's because it considers this. So now we need to stop that from happening, at least in this case. I'm assuming it's not going to do that in the next one. So now if element dot start dot x is equal to element dot start dot or end dot y x, I mean, or element dot, I don't want that on the new line, start dot y is equal to element dot end dot y. That means it's a straight line, or a horizontal and a vertical line, and we need to do that. 5, got it. So that should fix that issue. Yep, 6007 seems more right. So now I think I need to wait. Nope. Ooh, 6. That's actually pretty good. And so now we need to cover these lines. So yeah. Okay, I mean, it's not too bad. It's just now. So now else, if it's not a horizontal line, we need to cover this case. So now, oh, well, why am I doing it in here? This is the wrong one. Save. Perfect. Okay, so now else, if it's not a straight line, now we need to do this. So we still need this, and I'm assuming we're going to need this. But I think we need to now do something like slope is equal to end y minus start y divided by end x minus start x. And we should floor it because there's no such thing as decimals. So math.floor. Hopefully, it's there's no half points, and it should just be just normal slopes. And so if it's not that, while start dot x is not equal to end dot x, it's like similar to this, but instead of x and y, so we have to do it. So start dot x for the x, start dot y, or start y, and it'll work, and then start x plus plus, and then start y plus equals slope. Hopefully it's a full slope. I don't think it will be. I know there's probably going to be issues, but whatever. Yep, so let's run this input, if I can do y. And let's just, instead of doing this, let's just console.log the slope. Console.log slope. Oh, it's okay, it's all one. Is it? Oh. Oh, okay, so never mind. It's only going to be 1. But then why? Okay. Okay, I know how this works. Okay, so now if end y is greater than start y, that means it's a positive slope. I don't know how. Yeah, it's a positive slope. And so then we just do that, but like start at x plus plus, or like it's the same thing. So while start x is not equal to end x, add start x, and then, well, do it afterward. Add start x, and then this is the one where we should have if start x is equal to start y, and then plus, and then depending on if end y is greater than start at y. So if it is, then we need to do -1. So if it is, -1. If it's not, just no 1. And we don't need any of this stuff. If I can get rid of it. And it should work. Okay, well, it's not supposed to be 5. And there's an error. X is not defined. You're correct. Because there's no such thing as X. Boom. Boom. 13. Which says it's 12. So that's not good. It's off by 1. And that's not going to give us the correct answer. So I don't. Because yeah, if it's it has to be either greater than or less than, because we already got the case where it's equal to. And another thing we can do, we could just say that, and so now we don't have to define it twice. And if start x is equal to end x, it's basically saying the same thing, but it's a lot simplified, a lot more simplified. We could just do it like this. Well, well, if I look at this, it should be 5, 5 to 8, 2. So it should just be 3, 8, and then, yeah, 4. Let movement is equal to start, well, end x minus start x, and then for let I equals 0, I is less than movement, I plus plus, and then we should just say let x is equal to start x plus I, let y is equal to start y, and then depending on whether end y is greater than end x, or start x, start y I mean. So if it's greater than, we need to do 1, if it's less than, -1. I think that was the mistake I made. Plus negative, plus I, negative I, and then that should work. Okay, well that gave us another number, which is not correct. So if I do this correctly, and I'm just going to only do 9, 7, because I have which points it should be, then I can console.log grid and see what's wrong. Yeah, I can see what's wrong. So that's not right. Y is equal to start y, which is, should be, oh, I've just realized that this doesn't make sense, because what will happen is that it will get the start of it. It will get the start of it. So yeah, it only really makes sense for this. Whew. Yeah, I see what it is. I see what you mean now. Well, what we could do is we could just say the start will be the start x will be the minimum. So we need let start equal nothing, and is also equal to nothing, and then if element.start.x is less than element.end.x, start is equal to element.start, else start is equal to element.end. So we're only considering the other one. So we're only considering the x as the start and the end. So then end is equal to element.end, and then the other way around, start is equal to that, end is equal to start. Bop, bop, bing, bop, bop, boom. So now, problem is that this doesn't exist, so if start.x is equal to start, or end.x, yeah, that's right. I don't know why it's wanting to throw an error. Yeah, it does. And then start.y is equal to end.y, start.y is equal to end.y. Then well, I should just say if start.y is less than end.y, do this, else do the other way. So if it's less than, it does it this way, else it goes the other way. Is greater than or equal to start, well, dot y. The x is good. We've already got that under control. Start.x or start end.x. That's not right. And so then similarly, start.y, start.x, end.y, end.x, and that should be all good. All that just so I can say this and then start.x and hold on. So let's say start is already this, and then y might need another one of these situations. Oh wait, no, this is right. I think this just done the same exact thing. Oh, okay, well now it just doesn't work. So I messed this, so it's messed up here. Start, end. Okay, well it just doesn't go there. Okay, well, yeah, that works. Console.log here. Okay, it's not supposed to go there. Oh, well, I just see why it is, because it literally just said it is equal to itself. And an error. Where? Okay, start.y. Okay, it does the same thing. Which I don't know why. I don't know why it does that. Console.log start.y. And then I. Oh, and that's supposed to be equal to movement. So at least that's where that issue is. Oh, wait. Okay. Just needed a parentheses. So we covers points 9779888. Okay, perfect. So now if I add all these points back in, that's not supposed to happen. Oh. Okay, carry on. Okay, 5 and 9. Which is not right. Now it's only 9, which is not right. So if I get rid of all that. Okay, well that's right. 5 is right. Nope, not there. So, yeah. This is the 3, and then it should be, yeah, 6, 4 is a 3. 5, 5 should just be a 1. They're saying 5, 5 is a 2. Oh, it is. I mean 5, 4. It's saying it's only 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, well there's 12. Let me just see this one. Mm-hmm. 6, 4. Well, 6. Okay, that should. Okay, well, 4, 8, and 3, which is right. It must be something I've done with this one. It must be something I've done with this one. I could just get this. I could just take this one again. Okay, yeah, just take that, take the working code. Okay, I didn't mean to console.log everything, but eh. 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 Thank you. Okay, so I finally got it. It took way too long, but I did. I don't know what I got. I know I got top 1000 on the first part, but not on the second part. Yeah, I got 2002. So, what can you do? Is it bad? Yeah, it's not that good, but oh well. At least it was better than day 4. I mean, it took me a whole 30 minutes to do day 4, but whatever. So yeah, there's my code. It's finished. Parse the line, check start and end, do the horizontal and vertical lines, and then do the diagonal lines, and then check which grid. There's probably a better way of doing this, but just throw my shoulders up in the air. I wrote the code, so yeah, that's it. So, oh, I never did the recording, which is great. But whatever, because I mean, like, I have the stream, so like I said, throw my shoulders up in the air. Yeah. Well, I think that's it. I think I'm going to do all my stuff now. It's going to be a bit of a process, but yeah. There we go. There's all that. Yeah. So I'm going to call it a stream. So, bye, guys. Mwah.